To make the tzatziki sauce, we'll take the yogurt, our cucumber, the garlic, and some of the lemon juice, and just mix it up. And the key is to let it sit in the fridge for as long as possible, because the longer that it sits, the more the garlic will infuse into the rest of the ingredients. And as well, the longer it sits, the thicker it gets. So you can use it as a dip for vegetables or with some bread. Cover with some plastic wrap. And you want to put this in the fridge for at least half an hour to 45 minutes.